on it. Erection of the steel piers is done in a rather straightforward way. But how to erect the arch? No crane in the world will be able to do this task. That's why the engineers first erected the longest cable crane tower in the world, with a span of 915 meters. This cable crane is capable of lifting up to 35 tons. All the structural elements needed for the bridge were transported via these cables. Each arch segment is made up of box sections of 10 to 12 meters length. The different elements of the arch were connected together mainly using nuts and bolts. More than 600,000 of nuts and bolts were required for this work. The arch construction is progressing in a step-by-step manner. During all these processes, you can see cable stays supporting both halves of arches from the steel pier. Without these cables, you can guess what will happen to the arches. They'll fall down due to their own weight. More interestingly, to balance the force on the first main pier, the cable stays were connected to the neighboring pier in the opposite direction. Without these stay cables, the main piers would bend inward. Now comes the crucial day, the completion of the arch erection. Both halves of the arches met on this day. This process is known as arch closure. The main issue in arch closure is that even minor alignment issues can cause the final connection an impossible task for the workers. Even if the alignment is perfect, the heavy wind will make the assembly work difficult. So the first task before the structural element installation is to align both the halves perfectly. And also, we need a temporary connection between them. This is why this special hydraulic jack is used. By adjusting the green member of the jack, the horizontal distance between the arches can be adjusted. You can see currently only 6 members are missing from the arch. The yellow portion helps in adjusting the vertical distance. The bottom cord can be fitted. Once this is done, the force in the green member of jack can be released now, and a few more elements can be installed. Now they introduce the next jack. Until the perfect gap is achieved in the top cord, adjust this jack. Now, the top cord, the final structural element of the Chenab Bridge, is installed. This was a big celebration day. Both arch halves got connected perfectly. The jacks have done their job. Once the arches are connected together, the support cables are no longer needed. The half arches support each other. They erected piers even above the arches. For the erection of the arch, the workers worked meticulously. Even their